This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a eastbound CN train here at Pointe Claire. So I'm trying a different angle here with the shopping center and the apartment buildings in the background. Looks like a grain train. There's the DPU. And more mixed freight than anything. The sun just came out, which is good. And there's the bridge, St. John's Boulevard. It's about 3 p.m. on the 5th of October 2020. And a really nice fall day. After raining in the morning anyway. I have a feeling this train is going to be nothing more than these lumber racks. From this position you can see the CP line as well, so I can get two trains if there are two. Alright, there it goes. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.